Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a fairly straightforward procedure. Although you will have to toggle through multiple portions of the menu, the clear instructions and touchscreen interface make for a relatively hassle-free process. The engine coolant reservoir is in the front of the passenger side of the engine bay. The level markers are fairly easy to read on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. The front and rear wiper blades remove from their wiper arms by either pinching a single tab or prying up a cover and then twisting the blade off, respectively. No tools will be needed to change these wiper blades. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To access the headlights in the main housing on the passenger side of the vehicle, the engine coolant reservoir will need to be removed. To access those on the driver's side, the air filter housing and intake vent must be taken out. Both procedures will require multiple different tools and will end up being difficult and time-consuming. The battery is located behind a panel underneath the front passenger seat. You will have to move the seat and remove multiple panels as well as the terminal cables before you can remove the bracket or the battery itself, and this will be a cramped position to work in. Both the skid plate and an additional panel must be removed from underneath the vehicle in order to access the petcock. You will have to use multiple different tools while working upside down and underneath the vehicle, which won't allow for reliable coolant flushes. Overall, the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a moderately difficult vehicle to maintain, and prospective owners should be prepared for some lengthy and convoluted procedures.